Hello, today I show you about tutorial how to change photo background and eraser background in Canva. You can buy Canva Pro and now and then first time you can create the sign, edit photo, you click your file and open it, edit photo. Okay, this is your photo and Ctrl C and V for copy face in photo background, and then you can in element and then you can send back. Oh, hold on, you can in color background is blue. Okay, you can send to back, you can delete it, you can okay, this is your photo and rotate in the circle, edit image and background remove. Wait for a minute. And boom, see how to make the change background before red and blue in the Canva. Nice. You can apply and share and then download your photo. PNG download. Okay, wait for it. Okay, click your file. Boom. See? Hey, background. Red, before red, after blue. Nice. Okay, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.